morning, guys. Welcome to another weekly vlog. It is Sunday and we are heading to church, so I will see you guys later when I get back. Hey guys, so
Bye.
church done for now. Hey
Prayer
Shane.
meeting we have.
Like,
Enough people
I don't
come
know.
at church.
Church was so scanty today.
Prayer meeting.
Like, probably about 30. You're not even look like 30. Ew, he's peeing. Gross. Whoever this. The black cat. Right. Oops. He's looking at me. And he saw me pointing. Yes, guys. So we're gonna buy some things at shop. Sunday evening stroll. Sunday afternoon stroll.
Please remind me.
You better remember yourself. Woo! Good morning, guys.
Morning! If you're new here, welcome back to our channel. My name is Shakay sister, and this is Shakay.
Sister, not my name. No. Hi, Mom.
Oh please.
Hi.
How you doing? What's your name? What's your name, Mommy? Her name is Mommy.
Rita.
Her name is Mommy.
I have a name. Her mommy has a name.
Her name is Mommy.
Her name is Rita.
My name is Shakay sister.
Best name ever.
Rita Marley. A joke. Rita Marley. Guys, we are doing Callaloo. It look nice. Them gonna know say I'm mean.
They my peep in a me pot. They my peep in a me pot. They my peep in a me pot. On fire. They my peep in a me pot. They my peep in a me pot. They my peep in a me pot. On fire.
You don't reach my fire yet still. Yes. Good morning, guys, and welcome to Monday's vlog. It is Monday. I'm gonna do work.
M-O-N-D-A-Y.
Feels nice.
Monday. The day.
I hear Daddy. Sunday.
Sunday.
Morning, Dad. Your face still up on you, no matter what you want to do. Morning, Dad.
Morning.
Morning, Dad. My daddy's moving.
But you know what's my words and what I'm giving?
We never give them no words like that per se.
Want some?
You're gonna start
So, what do you think?
Seems like I could get some more.
Wait, wait,
Great man, but be.
Wait. So, guys, we can actually move out now. Mommy just said it. Well, not directly, but she said my smoothie nice.
Somebody alone have a drink.
I'd be
Anyway,
healthy.
We need help.
Breakfast time. Hey guys, update time. So I've been chilling basically the entire day. I've been watching videos, YouTube videos, and all of that. I did edit my video, which will be going up tomorrow. So by the time you see this, it'll be up. So make sure you check out that vlog. By the way, right now it is sometime after 1. I not even know. But we are making some lunch. Well, Shan and Dad are sleeping. Me and Mom, we're making some lunch. So, yeah. So we're gonna have the Nation's Choice fries. And basically we just fry it for ourselves. Because I don't own a air fryer. So yeah. Mom and I are the only two people in the house. We're awake at the moment. guys, so I just done bed. Be clean. I know I'm not film the video yet. I don't know what Shanika will plan for myself the bathroom. I finally combed the hair. Not all that, but it works. Hey guys, what is up guys? It is Wednesday and I'm starting the vlog off. It is I feel look out time. It's 11:58 guys. Yeah. And basically I just clean my room, so my room is clean. However, I am putting away some laundry, so that is what I'm doing. Yeah. And I'm also doing some laundry. Then I watch long time. I've been lazy. I get free time, so I'm lazy. Don't judge. Friday, and yeah, I know, still looking ratchet, but guess what, we're gonna do something about this today. So but before I do that, so we're gonna have a little get ready with me. But before I do my get ready with me, I am gonna make some fudge or some ice cream fudge. I'm gonna make something and put it in the freezer and all of these things. So let's go. So I am going to pull out these things here. Yes, guys, I have finally finished my makeup. I did some foundation, I did eyeshadows, you guys can see. I also did my eyebrows, and I also put on some lip gloss. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just finished filming my video. Yeah, this is one of the suits that were in there. So yeah, if you guys have not watched, please go and watch and like and comment your favorite suits. The mess of all I just did a while ago. I tried to pat all of them right as I finish, but I need to fold them. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I just wanna be part of your symphony.